All right, guys, we're back on the 72 Lincoln. We got the bushings yesterday. I got my kids for the week. We got this fancy dancy tool.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's crushing the arm.
Yeah.
But it did go a little bit. But it is crushing the arm. I think what we should do, find like a socket or something that fits in there to kind of brace it.
Yeah.
And just use this tool as well, but you gotta find something that'll go in there and brace it. But this side is crushed.
Yep. All right. Well, I'll let you guys know in a little bit what we're gonna do. Guys, well, we got it fixed. Gap's good. Good here. So
my idea is when we're doing it, put a socket in there to kind of stop it from crushing in on itself.
yeah, I think that's a great idea. So, but this one I gotta get the sleeve out. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the sleeve's still in it.
But this one.
This one.
It has a little bit more to go if you want to do that last bit.
Yeah, we should, because I can see right here.
Yeah.
How it's not. But we'll stick a socket in it so it doesn't crush it, and we'll get it in. Call it good. And then we'll start knocking this sleeve out, and we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay. Well, Xander got the next one, or the sleeve out, which knock it with the air hammer a little bit, and I guess you use the press.
Yeah, so I did that. This socket caught on enough.
Just to press it out.
Yeah, without being too big. So it just kind of sat in there kind of crooked and pushed it out.
Nice. As long as it went out. And then then you use this guy, or wherever the thing is at.
It's around here.
Oh, there it is.
There's that.
And the socket's holding it. Nice. All right, so
the other one right now.
Sweet. Yay. Then I can finish putting the rear end in.
Yep.
All right, guys, we'll get you another up there.
Up and into it.
And not crushing the thing. All right, well, get your video here in a little bit. This is our fancy dancy way to push the sleeve out without fighting with the air hammer. 20.
Yeah, like I was saying, these sockets will stop it from crushing in on itself.
Yeah.
We don't want the arm mostly. It'll still crush a little bit, but not to the point where it's like, oh shit, we gotta find a new arm.
Yeah. And just like that.
Big explosion. We're up.
Nice.
Now, pretty easy. Gotta get the new one and wrench that bitch right in there.
Look at this laser folk. Put that in there so it doesn't crush that. We'll put our sockets around that, and a new one will go in. So I'll probably show you guys the aftermath with this one being completely done. Keep on videoing. I'll show you guys how this all works.
So this sits around so it has something to go into. And these things have grooves that align with that. And like that one sits right there.
Just like that. And then it has grooves to sit down in.
And then that keeps it all located.
Location, location, location.
Then you have these little holes that you can peek into.
Oh, hey. There we go. Want to get your sockets?
Yes. It would be a very good thing to have.
This one?
Oh, that's where they are. Put one on top. Put one there.
Yeah.
Right. I didn't actually have to hold it last time.
No? Nice.
There we go.
Yep. That, people. That, loosen it up. Sweet.
So I do like the tool. It is pretty useful.
It's a good thing you're around. You're pretty smart and figured it out.
Yes.
But now I got to see it. Now I know how to use it pretty well.
That's cool because this thing has a bearing.
Yeah, so you can spin, so you're not rubbing against metal.
It's like I know they make it for like putting in wheel studs.
Yeah.
Or with the bearings.
Which is really nice because a lot of people, old school people, use just an old lug nut.
Yeah.
And that actually
something that fits over it.
and
yeah.
it'll strip stuff or bend or But yeah, this is
you
one.
want grease and bearings, or all the above. Get grease and bearings.
Grease and bearings. All
the
right.
problem is, see, it does squish it a little bit because these were loose before, and now it's not. And
Yeah.
It's not doing it to the point.
All right, you got the other one now, huh?
Yep.
Now we're pressing the new one in. Got the our little things so the arm don't get crushed. I wonder if there's some special tool for that.
So they don't crush.
Yeah.
Our socket's not special too.
That's close enough.
There we go.
All right.
Alright, now you can start getting the...
Now I can put the rear end back together? What are we waiting for the front end?
I'm front end's done.
Just
Throw
gotta,
wheels on if we want.
just gotta throw the other tie rod up or what?
I gotta bleed brakes, but...
Oh, okay.
Oh, I've do that in the rear too, so...
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's not even a booster in the car, I just remembered.
Oh, whoa. Did he do a video of that?
No idea.
Oh, well, I guess we're gonna find out. You just work here?
Did I get Ricky like that?
Yeah, of course, always. So I don't know if you show this, but the booster is back. Rebuilt with its new master cylinder. So probably maybe as we make this a roller today, I'm thinking maybe tomorrow or Monday we can get roll this back, put the booster in because it's not fun when it's on the lift. Hook up the lines.
Yeah, stop doing that on the lift.
Potty mouth.
No.
No, he says no. So, all right, guys. Well, I will start getting ready to set all this up and get it going. Hey, Saturday, fight, but they're in. We'll get underneath and hook up the brake line thing and the speed sensor for the cruise control.
I mean, get rid of them, put the drive shaft back in today.
Yeah, could, huh?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah, look at that. This shock's in. Springs are in. So once I get a couple things underneath here done, I'll get the big boy jack stands and lower the car to put weight on the jack stands and tighten all the suspension bolts, because that's the way you should do it. Put the weight of the car. Actually, I'll get the weight of the car on it tonight. That way it sits overnight, kind of settles a little bit.
Yeah.
And tomorrow when I come in, I can tighten up all the suspension bolts. That sounds like a plan, but I can get the drive shaft back in, get that sensor, that's the sensor I was talking about, in, and keep on trucking on this thing. All right, guys, well, I will get you an update video here in a few. This has been fun. It's been real, it's been fun, but not real fun.
Oh, pain in the ass.
Just like our boss. But